Hello, I'm Chef Patrick Kearney, and I'm going to talk to you today about vegetable cutting. The art of vegetable cutting can be very simple, it can be very impressive. It can separate you from your peers. So today we're going to talk about how to properly use a knife, how to properly align yourself, and make a nice even cuts. And that's really the gist of cutting vegetables, is nice even cuts. And that's what we're going to go through in a moment. We're going to do bâtonnet first. We've already cleaned, scrubbed our carrot. Now we're going to peel it. You notice I'm peeling into a bowl. I'm not just peeling right onto the cutting board because I don't want to have any dirty product on there. Even though it's clean, I don't want to have that on my board. We're peeling away any imperfections, and a lot of this is going to be trimmed away anyway once we start cutting. So, alright, when we start to cut, I'm just going to try to get a nice square edge. And the way I'm standing perpendicular to the carrot. I'm looking down my blade, and you can see that the blade and my arm are straight. They're one. I run right through. I slice through. I'm not pushing down. I'm not chopping straight down. I'm running straight through with the blade. Now we want to be 2 to 2.5 inches long. An easy way to do that is you can take your knife from the heel to just the other edge of the stamp. You can barely see it there. It's about 2 inches. So we want to go a little bit longer just to give ourselves something to work with. Move the other carrot out of the way, turn it. Now what we're going to do is try to get a nice straight cut. So I'm using my fingers as a guide, I'm tucking my thumb away, and I use my knuckles and I slide down. Again, perpendicular. I'm looking down my blade, I can see the back of my blade, and I slice through. Now I've got a square edge. The carrot will not roll on me. Now these cuts of carrots, they can be used for stock, it can be used for a carrot puree, many uses. Nothing will get wasted. And again, back, hands, hand, straight cut, right through. And what we're after here is perfection. We're not looking to reduce waste at this point because we want to have nice, consistent product. The carrots will not get wasted. Start cutting. I want to be about 1/4 inch now. Again, straight cut right through. Straight cut through. And cut through. Now this is towards the end. It's a little irregular shaped. I'm not going to get my perfect quarter, so I'm going to put that to the side. Now I'm going to come back and start cutting the... Okay, so I want to be again 1/4 inch. So I check it, end to end, I'm pretty square, and I run through. And again. And that's going to be my final cut from that carrot. So I'll move those out of the way and come back. So now we want to check our dimensions. So we get the ruler out. 2.5 inches, 1/4 inch, and we roll it over, and we've got 1/4 inch. So we've accomplished the bâtonnet. Again, we line them all up, and you can see that they're all uniform. You're going to have a little bit of bow in the carrot, but once that cooks, that'll go away. And there's the bâtonnet. So now that we've talked about the importance of the mechanics of it, the other important thing is to be organized, to have all of your vegetables ready, have your board ready, have your knife, and be in a good frame of mind when you start cutting. Because if you're in a good frame of mind, you're happy, your food's going to be happy. But a reminder, this can separate you from your peers. This can also be the difference when somebody looks at your food and says, wow, that's a sign of a true professional. And it also may be the difference between a $9 bowl of soup and a $3 bowl of soup. So take with you what I've given you. Hopefully you'll learn to cut vegetables better and enjoy yourselves. Thank you.